3.
3.
Getting to know others.
Getting to know others.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Do you come from Europe?
Do you come from Europe?
Do you come from America?
Do you come from America?
Do you come from Asia?
Do you come from Asia?
In which hotel are you staying?
In which hotel are you staying?
How long have you been here for?
How long have you been here for?
How long will you be staying?
How long will you be staying?
Do you like it here?
Do you like it here?
Are you here on vacation?
Are you here on vacation?
Please do visit me sometime.
Please do visit me sometime.
Here is my address.
Here is my address.
Shall we see each other tomorrow?
Shall we see each other tomorrow?
I am sorry, but I already have plans.
I am sorry, but I already have plans.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you soon.
See you soon.